Today we will learn about leaf structure. Let's get started.
Cuticle.
What is it?
A waxy layer covering the upper epidermis of the leaf, made of a substance called cutin.
What's its function?
The cuticle acts as a waterproof barrier, reducing water loss from the leaf's surface.
Upper epidermis. What is it?
The single layer of cells covering the top surface of the leaf.
What's its function?
Provides protection from water loss, UV radiation, and pathogens. It also secretes a waxy cuticle.
Mesophyll. What is it?
The tissue between the upper and lower epidermis of the leaf, responsible for photosynthesis.
What's its function?
Contains chloroplasts for capturing sunlight and carrying out photosynthesis. It's further divided into two types of cells. Palisade cells.
What are they?
Tightly packed cells that contain a high number of chloroplasts.
What's their function?
They specialized in photosynthesis due to their abundance of chloroplasts for capturing sunlight. Spongy mesophyll.
What are they?
Irregularly shaped cells in the lower region of the mesophyll, containing air spaces between them.
What's their function?
Allow for gas exchange within the leaf due to the air spaces. Chloroplasts.
What are they?
These are specialized organelles within plant cells containing chlorophyll, the green pigment responsible for capturing sunlight during photosynthesis.
What's their function?
Chloroplasts convert sunlight energy into chemical energy, glucose, through photosynthesis. Guard cells.
What are they?
A pair of specialized cells surrounding each stomata, responsible for opening and closing the pore.
What's their function?
By changing their shape, inflating or deflating, guard cells control the size of the stomata opening, regulating gas exchange and water loss. Lower epidermis.
What is it?
The single layer of cells covering the underside of the leaf.
What's its function?
Similar to the upper epidermis, it provides protection and contains more stomata for gas exchange. Stomata.
What is it?
Microscopic pores on the leaf surface allow for gas exchange, carbon dioxide intake, and oxygen release.
What's its function?
Controlled by guard cells, stomata open and close to regulate gas exchange and water loss.